Subtracting with mental math also has two strategies for each problem that we can use. So we can do either subtract 10 or subtract tens. And we're going to solve each of these problems using both strategies so you can tell the difference. We will get the same answer though, no matter which strategy we use. If I want to subtract 10, and what I'm doing is really subtracting from 10. So I'm going to decompose 62 into 10 and 52. That way I can have 10 and subtract my ones here. So 10 minus 8 is 2. So I'm going to then add my 2 and 52 in order to find the difference. The difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. So 62 minus 8 is 54. Now when I am using subtract from the tens, I'm going to decompose my number into tens and ones. So 62 has 6 tens, which have a value of 60, and 2 ones. This strategy can be more challenging because we are working with greater numbers, but it is still an efficient strategy. 60 minus 8 is 52. And then I'm going to add 52 and 2. And that gives me 54. So I have the same difference. The answer is the same. It's just how I have decomposed my numbers that has changed. 341 minus 4. And again, I know I need to take from some number of tens because I cannot take 1 and then take 4 from that. So I'm going to start again by taking from 110. So I'm going to break apart or decompose my number. And if I take 1 10 away from 4 tens, it leaves me with 3 tens. My hundreds and my ones stay the same. So I have 331. Next, I'm going to subtract 10 minus 4, which is 6. And then I'm going to add 6 with 331. And that is 337. When I take from tens, I'm going to pull all of my tens out from my 3-digit number when I decompose. So that would be 4 tens, which have a value of 40. And then I have 301 left over. Don't forget that that 0 represents how many tens we have when we decompose. So we want to make sure that we have that placeholder 0 in there and that we don't accidentally squish our number together and forget that we have a 3-digit number here. So I'm going to do 40 minus 4. And again, this strategy is possible. It's just we're working with greater numbers, so sometimes we can make more mistakes. So 40 minus 4 is 36. So then I'm going to add 36 into 301. That is 337. Sometimes when we are subtracting, we are taking away a 2-digit number from either a 2 or a 3-digit number. And we can't just take away 1 10. So we are going to have to take away multiple tens either way. So I could take this number and break it up into a tens and ones and do 50 minus 18. But what is more efficient or a little bit easier for me to do is just to take out 2 of those tens. And that would leave me with 37 left over. So 20 minus 18 is 2. And then I'm going to add in that 2 with the 37. And that gives me a difference of 57 minus 18 as being 39.